Hi sailors, we are going to go over page 555. So if you need to pause the video and go to page 555, that would be a good idea. I want to go through, just skip around a little bit and go through a few of them just so that we are all on the right page of showing our work and our think clouds. So let's start with number 1. We have 4g equals 24. Like the video said, when 4 and g are next to each other, that means multiplication. We want to get g all by itself. So we are going to do 4 divided by 4, which is 1. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. This is now our think cloud that Mr. Jordan told us about. That's going to actually give us the answer. So I have 24 divided by 4, so g equals 6. And to check your work, you can put 6 in for g. So 4 times 6 is 24. Let's go ahead and move on to number 3. Number 3, 36 equals 6e. 6 times something gives us 36. Now, I understand a lot of you are like, well, Miss Schaefer, it's 6. I know that 6 times 6 is 36, but we still have to get in the habit of showing our work. So we have to go 6 divided by 6 is 1. Cross that off. I get e by itself. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 36 divided by 6 is in our think cloud, and that is 6. So right there we were correct. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Let's go ahead into number 5. We have 2.5y equals 5. Now hopefully a lot of you will think that's 2, which it is 2, but we still need to show our work. 2.5 divided by 2.5 is 1. So now we have y by itself. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. 5 divided by 2.5 is 2. So y equals 2. They try to sneak in some fraction problems at the bottom. So let's go ahead and do number 10 together. 2/5 g equals 3/5. 2/5 g equals 3/5. So here I need to divide by 2/5, but 2/5 divided by 2/5 is really multiplied by the reciprocal. When we did fractions, we'd multiply by the reciprocal. I get 10 over 10, which equals 1. So if I do 2/5 divided by 2/5, I get 1, which crosses off g. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So 3/5 divided by 2/5, which really is 3/5 multiplied by the reciprocal. I get 3/5 times 5/2, 15 over 10, which is 1 5/10, which is 1 1/2. So g equals 1 1/2. If you need to pause and look at my work, what I did is 2/5 divided by 2/5, which is 2/5 multiplied by the reciprocal. I get 10 over 10, which is 1. Whatever I do to the one side, I have to do to the other. And this is my think cloud. This is going to give me the answer. So I give 3/5 times the reciprocal, which gave me 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10. Improper fraction, changed to a mixed number, and simplified. So go ahead, and it looks like you are going to be working on page 557, and check your answers when you're done. Have a good day, sailors. Bye.